Hello, if you are mining this particular project, something has actually happened. And what has happened is that halving has taken place. Maybe you did not know, but halving has actually taken place. If you have watched my previous video, that was the first video on how to create an account in this particular airdrop called Pixb. Yes, I don't know if I'm pronouncing it well. And there was an halving that has happened for a couple of about a week ago. If you watch that particular video, you see that I was not having any referral, but now I have 11 referrals and only 6 of them are active. This is what this one particular actually mean, and I'll be sharing with you every other thing you need to watch. And if you're able to watch to the end, I'll tell you a lot of things about this particular project and what they are actually building. So let's go down. So, and if you want to invite someone, what you just need to do is just to come here. I'll be dropping my referral link in the description of this particular video. You tap on invite, so you'll be able to send the address to, you can send it to yourself on Telegram or on WhatsApp. Then you'll be able to copy it and send it to your friends so that they can actually join. Make sure that before you finish watching this particular video, you like, you share, and click on the bell notification so that you get notified anytime we upload another new video. So look at it now. They say peaks hit 100 users, and that was July 2nd. You see it has happened. I don't know the time you are watching this. So second halving has been actually be completed. They are doing just like other crypto mining app that we are mining, just like Ruby, the key ecosystem and the like. So the first those that actually mine from 1,000, the first 1,000 to 10,000 participants were actually mining one of this particular token. Then it was splashed to 0.5. This is it. I think currently now we are mining at 0.2 something. So for me to be able to get this now, you see, it depends on the amount of referrals that I'm currently having. So we are proud to announce that BitPixl has surpassed 100 registered users with active participants from over 150 countries worldwide. This achievement marks a significant reflecting the growing. So they are actually happy that they are growing, but we miners are not happy because our coin is getting splashed. So if you haven't started, this is just the best time for you to start. And the next halving is coming immediately we hit 1 million participants. So once we hit 1 million users in this particular, the mining will get splashed also. And these people are actually building, if they're able to stay to their ways, they're actually building a blockchain token. And one is the most important, that I don't joke with blockchain token, because they are actually far better than all those ones that you actually mine on your Telegram. And they are one of those tokens that when you see them in the markets, they actually do well because they are a long time project, not the one that you are actually that actually rock pull or actually use as pump and dump. Look like, for example, the Binance BNB now. It has its own user case, because for you to be able to be on the Binance platform, you will have to use their token for staking and a lot of things. So this is what these people are actually building, which is making them to be valuable. So if you have some people that are actually mining and they are not actually active, you can just always come to this your referral, tap on it, you tap on this pink inactive, and you can come here to share your referral link. So immediately I tap on it, they will receive a notification say your inactive referral has been notified. You can ping them after 24 hours. So you could see these are my referrals. These are those that are active, and some that are actually sleeping. I've actually given them a tap for them to wake from their slumbers. So you can actually go navigate your way through this particular aspect here to read and look, explore. Most especially, you can come to this white paper to read more about them, to know what they are into. And if this video was really helpful, please kindly like, share, click on the bell notification so that you get notified anytime we upload any other video, and also drop your comment. Thank you. Bye bye for now.